Deep beneath the surface, the ocean holds secrets that defy our understanding of rest and stillness.
As we move further down, the pressure increases and the sunlight begins to fade into a permanent twilight. Giant silhouettes appear in the distance, motionless and hauntingly beautiful against the vast emptiness. These are sperm whales, the ocean's greatest divers, captured in a state of absolute tranquility. They do not sleep horizontally like us. They drift vertically, suspended in a delicate balance of buoyancy. In this state, they are completely unresponsive to their surroundings, drifting like giant logs in the sea. Their breathing slows to a minimum, and their massive hearts beat with a slow, rhythmic pulse. For years, this behavior remained a mystery, a secret kept by the deep, dark waters of the abyss. Only recently have scientists been able to document this short, intense period of deep sleep. Even the young must learn this art of suspension, staying close to their mothers for protection during rest. They spend only about 7% of their time in this deep sleep, making every moment precious.
They are the largest toothed predators on Earth. Yet in sleep, they appear incredibly vulnerable.
This sleep usually lasts for only 10 to 15 minutes at a time, before they must return to the surface. There is a collective rhythm to their rest, a social bond that extends even into their unconsciousness. Scientists believe they use this time to process information and recover from deep dives into the abyss. The silence of the deep sea is the perfect lullaby for these nomadic giants of the blue. Their biology is perfectly adapted for this extreme environment, allowing them to hold their breath for over an hour. In the scale of the ocean, even a giant is but a speck in the infinite blue. Other creatures of the deep continue their lives around the sleeping leviathans. They have achieved a neutral buoyancy that keeps them suspended without any effort at all.
This unique head contains spermaceti oil, which may help them regulate their buoyancy for these naps.
Even at this depth, the rhythm of the world above is felt through the shifting light. This powerful engine of the sea is now at rest, waiting for the moment of awakening. The social structure of sperm whales is complex, even in their most passive moments.
And to see them like this is to witness one of nature's most surreal and peaceful spectacles.
When they wake, they will return to the hunt, diving thousands of feet into the darkness for prey. The ocean is never truly still, yet the whales find a way to remain perfectly poised. Every inch of their body is built for survival in an environment that would crush a human. The symmetry of their vertical rest is both alien and fascinating to the human eye. It looks like a sunken forest of giant trees, drifting in a blue fog. The light dance on their skin is the only thing that moves in this frozen moment. In this deep sleep, they are deaf to the songs of other whales and the noise of the ocean. Minor adjustments are made instinctively to maintain their upright posture. The debris of the ocean falls around them like a gentle, underwater snowfall. This is the quietest place on Earth, far removed from the chaos of the surface world. Every feature of the sperm whale is specialized for a life spent in the deep. They drift in a dreamlike state, suspended between the surface and the abyss. Day or night, The deep sea remains a place of constant, cool darkness. Even in rest, the tools of a predator are visible, a reminder of their power.
Seeing this with your own eyes changes your perspective on what it means to be alive in the ocean.
They are masters of the deep, even when their minds are far away in slumber.
This vertical posture is unique among cetaceans, a signature of the sperm whale. These whales carry the history of their lives on their skin, even in their quietest hours. Beneath them lies miles of unexplored darkness, the true home of the leviathans.
The ocean's bioluminescence provides a faint, magical glow to this sleeping sanctuary. Moving through this group is like walking through a gallery of living statues.
Do they dream? Science suggests they may experience states similar to our own dreams. Their orientation toward the surface is a constant reminder of their need for air. This huge head acts as an acoustic lens, though it is silent now. The slow movement of the ocean slowly redistributes the sleeping giants. Every angle reveals a new sense of the whale's immense mass and power. Even in sleep, they provide a home and transport for other marine life. In this isolation, the beauty of the sperm whale is truly highlighted. The colors of the deep sea are subtle, shifting with the life within the water.
The verticality of their world is represented in every aspect of their existence.
Every part of their anatomy is tucked away, waiting for the call to action. The tail is the whale's engine, but for now, it is a silent anchor in the blue.
It is a sight that few humans have ever witnessed in person.
The boundary between air and water is the limit of their world.
They are the bronze titans of the deep, resting before the hunt begins again.
There is a rhythm to the pod, a shared existence in the vastness of the sea.
Holding their breath is not a chore for them, but a natural state of being. The deeper you go, the more the world feels like a different planet. This dormant power is a testament to the whale's evolution over millions of years.
Their shape is perfectly hydrodynamic, even when standing still. Even the smallest movements in the water are felt by these sensitive giants.
They are like needles of a compass, always aligned with their world. Strength and vulnerability coexist in this peaceful underwater scene.
In the heart of the ocean, time seems to stand still for the sperm whale.
The period of rest is coming to an end as the first whale begins to stir. Muscles that have been still for 15 minutes begin to wake up.
The giant is awake, its consciousness returning to the watery world.
With a single, fluid movement, it breaks its vertical pose and prepares to swim. One by one, the silent monoliths return to being living, breathing animals.
Power returns to the giants as they prepare for their ascent to the surface.
Their rest was brief, but enough to fuel their journey through the deep.
The silent forest of whales is gone, replaced by a pod on the move.
They return to the world of air and sunlight, where they will take their first breath. The deep sea holds its breath, waiting for the giants to return for their next rest.
To witness the stillness of a giant is to understand the true peace of the ocean.